Hi, my name is Phil Fry from Megahome Distillers, and today I'm going to be talking about how to clean your Megahome distiller. So here we've got my distiller in fact, and we've got a fair bit of kind of built up crud over about a month's worth of use. Now, one handy tip is to get one of these non-stick scourers, and between each distillation just give it a quick rinse out and a wipe with one of these. That reduces the amount that you get. So what we're going to do, we're going to be using the cleaning crystals to clean it. So first thing we need to do is to fill up the distiller. Now here you can see I've filled it up, and I've actually gone above the fill line because quite often a lot of the scale goes a bit above the fill line. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 generous spoonfuls of the cleaning crystals. There we are. Now also another handy tip, I've actually used hot water when I fill this up. I've simply done that to save time. Next thing, I need to plug it in and leave it for 20 minutes with the top off. Obviously you need to make sure you press the on button when you actually start the cleaning process. Now I've just given this 20 minutes and I've just poured away the hot water. Obviously make sure that you do quite careful when you do that. You can see inside actually it's got rid of a lot of the lime scale, but there is still some, especially around the lower sides where it's a bit more kind of caked on. Now we're making a video here, so I've kind of poured it away after 20 minutes. If I was actually doing this on my own at home, I'd take a look at this. I'd probably would have left it for maybe another kind of 10 to 20 minutes, or maybe added a bit more kind of in terms of cleaning crystals. But you can see that actually a lot of the lime scale that was there previously has been got rid of. But I would carry on and monitor it until actually I've got a nice clean interior to the boiling vessel like we had when new.